Hey everyone, Dale here from LittleRVrentals.com in Kamloops BC. We are just up at the Shuswap. This is site 113-114 up at Shuswap Provincial Park. Beautiful spot up here. We're just taking down a trailer for a customer. He rented the 18.9 foot, so 19 foot. Just thought I'd take you on a little tour of the site. It's well treed, very nice. In August here, it's very cool. Nice and shady. You got all these cedar trees. Awnings out. This is our little 19 foot with a little slide out. Just give you a quick tour. Got indoor outdoor speakers here. Little TV. Couch makes into a bed. You just take off the armrests and it folds into a bed. You got a bed up front here with fold-up blinds, full fridge and freezer. Works on propane, 110. Place to hook your phones. It's got solar panel on the roof. Got your gauges, pump, hot water tank, 2-burner stove, microwave. You got dishes. I think there's some pots and pans. Coffee percolator, toaster, silverware, stuff like that. It's got a heater in it. It's also got an air conditioner when you're hooked up to 30 amp or 20 amp power. All LED lights. That also folds down for kids. So the unlatches up there, folds down, put a board across, and there's a little mattress up there, and you can have kids up there. You've got almost a queen here, and again, this folds down. There's a spot for table legs that are behind. Those go there, and then there's a table behind that can set up for your table. There's the bathroom, got a flush toilet, shower. Got a shower with a skylight. When you turn on the shower, you just turn on this, and then you pull up on this slightly, and it goes to the shower. You got your heater control here, your slide out here. Closet. Fuse panel, extra storage. Yeah, it's a cool little unit. 2-burner stove. Another vent up there. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in renting this, it's LittleRVrentals.com. We let people tow this if you have the proper vehicle. Or we can set up and deliver like we did for this customer. LittleRVrentals.com. And all you have to do is show up. And we have everything set up for you. Beautiful park. On the outside here, you have water connections. They don't have water connections here. There's power. There's a cord in the side here. You have a little outdoor shower. There's your cord, little fuse box, and there's a hose for extra water if you need it. This is where you put your portable water. You can fill it till it gurgles out. That is a propane water heater. And then you have side compartments, battery, propane tanks. This one is a 2-inch ball. And there's also a solar panel on the roof. So yeah, again guys, if you want to check this out, LittleRVrentals.com, Kamloops BC. We can deliver for you with our truck, or you can pick up if you have the right vehicle. But a lot of people love our service because we can drop off, set up for you, have the fridge going, have everything on. All you have to do is show up with your groceries and your cold drinks, and you're ready to camp. So thanks for coming with me on this tour. Again, it's Little RV Rentals, Dale and Michaela, LittleRVrentals.com. Cheers.